So for stairs and other objects, I use offset. So I'll just type in offset, and you can type in the measurement right away. For example, they are 0.2 meters apart, and then I click on the first line, then click on it again, and so on. If you would want another way to do it, you just have to select the object first. So select the object first and then type in offset. You can use the through option, and then you can just indicate where the offset is going to be. For example, I would want to be placed up in here at 0.1, or you can also type in 1, so it's easier for you. So that is how I use offset for the stairs.